Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little tour I've always loved watching those what's in my bag, what's in my purse kind of videos. And today I thought it would be fun to show you guys what is in my Wacom One carrying case. So when Wacom sent me the Wacom One pen tablet, they were also kind enough to send me this carrying case, which I have been using and loving. Disclaimer, this carrying case is a separate purchase from the tablet, but it's very easy to find on the e-store, and when you're checking out, it gives you options to add on accessories, so like buying extra pens and buying this carrying case. If you guys have been loving my Wacom One series, let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next using my tablet. Without further ado, let's dive into the what's in my carrying case. So I don't know if the camera is doing the size justice, but this is a pretty big carrying case and it holds a lot of stuff. Quick tour of the exterior of the case. On the top here is the main zipper compartment, and in the front is this kind of flap section where you can place smaller items. And on each side is this little tiny pocket where you could put stuff too. So I'm going to start with this little flap in the front. I only have one thing in here right now, and it is this. It's this super cute fluffy little case where I keep my AirPods and also a backup set of headphones for when my AirPods die. There's also this mesh pocket here where I like to keep my extra nibs for my Wacom One pen and the nib replacement tools. Moving on to the side of the case, I also only have one thing in here, and it's the Wacom One pen. So this one's actually a backup. I have my main one inside, but it's nice that it fits right here snugly in the case. All right, time for the main contents of the case. I don't know if you guys can tell how much stuff I have in here. It's quite a bit. What I really love about this case is that it has a middle divider here, so there's essentially two different sections where you could put stuff. Starting with the first section, this is where I keep my laptop. I usually keep my laptop in this case, but because this has such a protective interior, it's super soft in here, I could just put it in without the case. In that same section, I have my notebook. If you're wondering where I got this from, I got it from Marshall's for like $6, and it's like a leatherback kind of moleskin feel. And the last thing in that same section is a book. Not just any book, this is truly one of my favorite books of all time. I highly recommend it. It's by my favorite author, Mitch Albom. It's called For One More Day. He just writes the most tear-jerking, heartstring-pulling books you'll ever read. So highly recommend this book. So that was all the stuff in the first section. Moving on to the second section. Of course, I have to have my Wacom One tablet with me. I absolutely love how this tablet is wireless and super slim. It's a super light tablet and very unobtrusive. Like, I feel like I could slip this anywhere. In this same section, I also have some wires. So this is a wire for the Wacom One. This is to charge it, or if you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can connect this to the tablet and your laptop. I really like having my tablet 100% charged, so I never have to use this, but I always like to keep it with me just in case. And then I also have my pink little phone charger that is on its last limbs. Honestly, I have to have it in like a certain position for it to, you know, charge my phone. And then the last thing, is my matching. So this is my laptop case. This is where I keep my laptop charger. Is that really it? Yeah, that's it. All of that stuff, 2 books, 2 electronics, 3 chargers, all in here. Another perk of having this is it makes you feel super official. Like, I don't know why, walking into coffee shops with this under my arm and a coffee in the other hand just makes me feel like a businesswoman. Like, I'm conquering the world with this case. That was everything in my Wacom One carrying case. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of shorter video. If you want one for yourself, I will link it in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all the love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!